to another episode of Not So Known Locations in Istria. Today's location is Juranska Pećina in Orič. Let's keep rolling.
Oops, sorry guys, I forgot to show you where is this cave is situated, so we're gonna rewind that and go into the Google Maps. So now I'm gonna show you where is this cave is situated and explain a little bit about the location, because you will find it easier. Yeah. So it's between two villages, Orič and Jurani. Jurani is not really showing on the Google Maps, but you can trust me on this one. And where you go, make your turn toward Orič, you have like 350 meters. Then you will see on your left side some room for your car. And you will see on your right side a sign for Juranska Pećina. So you will park your car and you will see on your left side a clear path. And I can't really explain you how to get there, but you will see on the video. So I'm gonna screenshot this and mark the way where you need to go to get there the fastest and the easiest. So you're gonna see that now, and I will put the plus code into the description for all of you lazy boys. We can continue with the video now. Beautiful Juranska Peć got its name from, of course, village Jurani. Karst relievo got a limestone base with what everyone say imposing entry. Dimensions of 80 meters wide and 100 meters high. But I don't think those are the correct dimensions, cause it really doesn't look that huge. Maybe it's just me. What can I say? Visit it and tell me what's your opinion by commenting down below.
When we arrived at Juranska Pećina, we didn't expect to see a lot of ice sigs,
which discouraged us to go all the way in, even though it looks way more beautiful with them. Just look at it, and here is the sound she makes. Just kidding. Here's the sound, and before I let the sound rip, I recommend put it on headphones because the sound is not very loud. fact, your shoes will not get dirty if you don't wear them. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like this video if you really enjoyed it. Subscribe. Press that bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And you deserve a cookie because you'd stay till the end of the video. But it's still not the end, so I'm just messing around and this is mine.
To another episode of Not So Known Locations in Istria. Today's location is Juranska Pećina in Orič. Let's keep rolling.
Ej, vi ste prvi.
I'm professional. Oh, fuck.
Losing my patience. Ne mora više. Ajmo.
Ciao. I tried to do this with Oreos, but it took too many tries, so I'm a dummy.